After all these things, and it's about the Ghana Police Service. Mr. S, I'm going to spend a few minutes on this story. Now, say CID uncovers child trafficking syndicate. 5-year-old girl remains missing. Andrew, nami jina IGP so. Nami jina a CID boss so. And Andrew, aswana make a Ghana for say. When it comes to arrest and prosecution, the kind of agency, me say the IGP and the CID boss and the CASA, I don't see it, and I was very hard on them. But you see, when you take that part, I don't see them delivering. When it comes to other part of policing, you can give it to them that they are basically delivering. We have seen cases, robberies, AC and the Kufuado Nebaumia, they ignored it. You bo nipa to you ko real gold near the day. Since some army way any IGP bar office, no, that part of the policing, they have been exceptional. The only part that I have a problem with is when they arrest people, omudi bonia, na the soft gloves near Jamomukofi. That is where I had a problem with. But if when it comes to these kind of things, you can give it to them. They are delivering. In fact, for a very long time, Ghana Police Service, omutuma ba cold cases, omutumi visit cold cases. Now at the end of the day, omutumi suspects omu cold cases. Right now, this particular case of child trafficking, we have seen say the police have really done well. Say Akwaraba ko Aira. And at this point, the police will need the assistance of Ghana for. They cannot do the job alone. Until what I keep telling Ghana for, and they say, with me, this is my platform. No? If you are given a job to do, now we hear Jumanana, me a comment now and say, oh, Lydia, because the Juma we and ye and we want to chima, me oh, IGP. Oba no what my structure police service no nyoma bi e obi a ekoye na nyoma bi nkoye nti because the oye and koye nti I have to just close my eyes on the enkoye. I will not do that. That is why I'm saying say where I have to applaud you, I will applaud you. But where you fall short, I will also criticize. But when it comes to other part of the policing, when it comes to arresting cases, and it's robbery cases, so many cases are not Ghana for a young one was Ghana police found them to me 3 days investigation for. People get amazed, people get shocked. They applaud the CID boss, they applaud the IGP, and no end is what we want. But when it comes to say Asamaba, Obia di bonibi, na ya chini pano, na 24 hours, you're releasing the pano, na ya nkwa asem no hu ma. I will not sit here and say, because Lydia and the IGP Yonu did this right. So when in Korea, I was say Mijaya no, I will have to speak on it. That is why yesterday I was on the IGP and the CID boss. And that is how I do my job. It is not personal. It is about looking at the issues and speaking to the issues. So as I speak now, I would like to applaud the police when it comes to this child trafficking issues. Omotumi action kofua, omode enkwara ketenkete, use abuse etonton. We applaud the IGP, we applaud the CID boss. In fact, there are so many cases recently they have been able to crack the cases. Na no biampo say those cases police bet ma crack it. But apart from we applauding you on these things, we also want you people to add some urgency and seriousness to these people who are also breaking the law through misinformation and disinformation. And when they are caught, the same application agency, they can court cases, we need to apply the same agency to these cases. And I would like to applaud them, but what I want to say is it should not end there. We still want to see some seriousness when it comes to people breaking the law, when it comes to misinformation and disinformation. They need to be treated. Their cases need to be moved. There's the kind of agency, more the cancer cases, more fun cancer cases. So I'd like to applaud the police. In fact, there's this case I am following, Asante Mampong. And I want to talk to the Ashanti Regional Police Commander. Asante Mampong case it is close to about rape. Mamencha asemuncha 2 minutes. And that case I am following up. And I would like to talk to the Ashanti Regional Minister. Maami bi and on the baboy ti akware di beye 16 years. And I accuse the akwara boy and say wako repeat small girl be. Now, small girl no see a raping no. Ya dey go hospital. And a doctor I conclude say small girl no be an raping no. Tie. Ma bibi ti asante mampon. Ne ba we di 16 years, young boy. And a nipa bi accuse boy ne say wa rapi ne ba. Ba we di minim akra din, to be very honest. Any age. And a ma me say ode ne ba no echo hospital. Echo check say 16-year-old boy no why then we rapi akra no. Omoko hospital no doctor ne say oye akra de checks no we who say yem breaki akra no obi an rapi akra no. Now could you believe say police penyin o mampon no maame no akọ police station ho akọ report akra no ama police fo no achi akra no say we rape small girl no. Now akra no busuafo call police station no ka kire eye police fo no say e die na omu gina so akire say akra 16-year-old boy no we rape small girl no. Police fo no say omu ni bibi o megina so maame na ode ne baba ne bae no say sa hospital na okoye ekoye check up man ne ba no oboka 4,000 enti sa maame na ya accuse ne ba na ntua o say police for the chinishem enti police for no so acha akwara no boy na shem. And I'm yet to get the name of the commander in that district, the CID in that district, and I'm going to make sure you people at the end of the day Ghana Police Service in Penifo betwemaso I will get your name and send to the regional commander. How can say obi say you raping ba? Wako hospital police woman a hospital man report say oba no be amfa nsanka no. Na waba police station beka chem say okọ hospital no wako say sika into omo nkoche small boy no and police for na koche small boy na shem. And sa ma na police for ni sika and police for ni ka chem ma ne ba boy ne say omo yi akwara no mani kofi adentira ono ma na okọ police station a hospital ekoye check man ba wa boka into ma ne ba ni 4,000 no. Asem we otibi we. Assembly, uti be wing. This is stupid. And Okwa Santiman Ponzisia, this case is there. I am yet to receive the name of the police officer. I am yet to receive the name of that commander. And that's what I'm saying respectfully. I'm talking to the Ashanti regional commander because Mampon Shawase, the divisional commanders. What is happening at Asante Mampon? Ochina, we need to get to the bottom of this matter. Right now, yenya new lines are enche phone lines about police commanders of more Ghana. Me pesa IGP eti the police commanders be a year in their respective regions and respective districts. Divisional commanders, regional me pesa a year IGP eti because Ghanaians have a lot to say when it comes to policing in some part of the nation. Ghana for they have a lot to say. And I'm going to give the opportunity to Ghanaians to call in and tell the IGP the police for be a year in various parts of Ghana because we need to sanitize the police service. Jowanu is doing his part. Some things police in here and if I'm angry about something, if something isn't going well, I don't mince words. I tell Jowanu that this needs to be fixed. So CID boss or your BB na say agency na omode kon hono engineer na so I sit here, I criticize it. The same thing when they do something a writer, I sit here, I applaud them. That is my job. Inti Ochina Asante Mampon case we me person district commander or say dear commander no, we want a report on this matter. Doctor said boy no rape small girl no. Adentina obi onwa voluntarily or call on one hospital ekwa test no or 4,000 every maame no ne bana eden. Why are you people suppressing people? Among for munisika, ma amene aduane kakra bi no tonton. Ade na mo besa mo tata no echinchim ne nsa agi sika free ni nsem. Maybe a phone lines enche next week. You ever start a phone lines region by region, district by district. Into your commander, we are divisional commander, we are district commander. Now I junior say ubunko for faswa. The IGP will hear. The IGP will hear in Accra, and I'm very sure the IGP, he will call a lot of you people, reshuffle a lot of you people the day we start doing this job. Now, this is Asama Mebese and the Yedi Komo Abronye Oye MPP Mahmoud Baumia Communication Committee or TNO Oye part of the communication team for his campaign. Baumia 30 committees, and Abroye is an integral part of his communication committee. Or in fact, a lead committee. No. Yes, sorry, I no pay na Abronye a ye nyina nim ne se oye Bawumia hunipa o sponsor no we be a studio ama no wama ni sika se onko di dwuma na onfangu nipa bi ho fin ewo MPP muti secretary Japan na ono Bawumia no entumi mfa ho embedi flag bearer a oye ne pepepe a Abronye edi sa dwuma no ma no na Abronye ni nemu na oko make statement bi efa judge bi ho na statement Abronye ko make fa judge no ho no na they were all allegations against the judge at Delta Circuit Court. Abronye or your regional chairman, the whole Bono region, MPP no, or then a chairman, into onye kuku ketwa our party because a party full of kuku no, there's one kuku in who exhibit the kukulization attitude. Into Bawumia Abronye sikase ovanko be a Facebook page. Ototo nyoma gumuma ne say on use sa page you know enfan second de Japan na on making sure say odiegu aban hu fin without evidence no Bawumia Abronye etie Bawumia sem o ka kire no e na okobie Facebook page e na osori a na oteso. Now one of his programs no Abronye ekeka nsem bi na sansem na Abronye kekaye no eno na ende edna ko pie remand 2 weeks judge a otiasem so say Abronye nkotwi mu na otwemienu na ansem na okekaye na onkodwene ho na odwene ho no so asem na ikoso nyina ontiase se ewosa oboa na omoye mfifimu investigations na aban so nya time enye investigation ti onhye ho na asem na ikoso nyina onhye ho no omboa investigators. Now me pese yenya abotre as Ghanaians na yetie asema Abronye kan yetie wi na afi yaba abeka asema Mahamudu Bawumia ende watro abede abeto abontene na yebusa ye ho questions na yebusa Bawumia questions na yebusa MPP as a political party no questions say omo ye sure say Bawumia mentally or ye stable me ka say Bawumia bodam edubi na kwaka na se omo se mesekofo me say ye wi Abronye tape ne ye bo wi na nsema Bawumia atro abeto abontene no na ye wi ya assess asem no na yebusa questions na afi yebusa se Mahamudu Bawumia or ye stable mentally ana question mark she chire. That means a question na mibusa. Now Abronye asema okan ya edena kopie remand no enie mumien ko tie Abronye
ya ma press ase kwachi sofo wo ye political judge eno ntina da bia no ye nya case ya ye de kwa denta ho judge na wa denta circuit court won o ye political judge mon calculate cases ya na say adenta ho police for ye ya no mo de kwa denta circuit court negotiating ben na Ghana police service any adenta circuit court no o ye political judge. Judge na wo adenta no ye political judge a oni abana ye negotiation a ye intimidation court and o ma establish e wo adenta ho intimidation court enya court wa a deliver justice enya court wa ye fair because Ghana police service any judge no e wo negotiation. And in case be a young Delta Circuit Court or your political judge. One more Muslim back catch it, media count me out. One more Muslim back catch us, oh, your political judge, you know, media count me out. What you can do, Foko. Nanina Yahoo, oh, your political judge, and maybe the bar attack 146 in the Bay Duma. Because when you're political judge forever. When you're political because promise akoso agreement akoso promotion agreement ayada akoso to your political judge. And in that case be a Delta Circuit Court. Every case a Delta Circuit Court or your political judge. Not political police if one of the court. Obia bompire nankaya judge ya. Say, yes, see, Obi, Yama press.
So these are the words of Abronye. Or say, Adenta Circuit Court judge not to or a political judge. Or can be can say a year police for Ghana Police Service any judge not say and negotiate. Say, Eden ombechi NPP fogum. These were all emphatic statements. He wasn't speculating. Okasan or say, asamna okano onsro se obisro judge no ono abronye onsro judge no. In fact, the okano judge no entumi nye foko. He was emphatic in his statements. Also, akasan or say, odi bibia ye friend article 146 no ono na bible power obo use article 146 no etia judge no. And Osaka say, or say abaino a promise judge no promotion. Now, these are all allegations Abronye a level against the Ghana Police Service, the government of Ghana, and a sitting judge. The reason why I some way I am in the right to talk about it and say I have been there before. At a point in my editorial, some people say some can send me a good judge who fin it mebu Ghana mraso. And these were the same people are now omudi MPPH Ghana forecast say in some mekan in the past but make set judge be or cases so into yan famine tum. Yan in fact ya extradite me. Yan fa Interpol emechimo American famine mrane kufuado abai famine tum. That was the argument people in the MPP made. What we are seeing today is not different from what happened when they said I had criticized a judge in a way and manner Ghana. So along the way, I came to court and I made my case in front of the Supreme Court to say, in seminar mekayano, it wasn't to denigrate or defame the judge. In fact, there were issues they were backed by facts. Supreme Court na TMA said no say you made sense. In fact, judge ni decision will take care no. And the way or tron ne omasa order no, it did not follow a court mra. It Supreme Court catch him say I should go. Now it do Abronye eso. The same mra na Bawumia MPP and Ghana phobi ejina to say yemfa extradite me from America mra Ghana. Mimbrambe jina court because makase tia judge megunu hu fi no. The same emrana na ende eye adwuma wo Ghana yen pepa ye yen sesan ye. The same people obudi ba omi echi ne. Na omuti TV so radio so church petitions say yen metam me from America. Yen mebo masendwo mo Ghana no. These are the same people omudi Mahamudu ba omi echi ne. Obi amfiri nechi. Now, as some way, esi ya Abronye keka nsem we nyina efa judge no ho. And then the Abronye ekopie court. And a court say asem na wo kan ye no. Wunjina so pa no ewe he. Because ensem a wo kan ni nyina eye ensem a na enye dia speculative. Eye ensem a na wo kire se wo njina so. The highest court, and court kesi wa Ghana, a Chief Justice down no. No Ghanaian has the right to denigrate the court. A Ghana mrao wa echresa. So oka asem to judge so. Na asem na oka no, emu edua. You have to come and prove say judge na ampa. Jumadia usi odi no, jumadia odi. Na Chief Justice ahwe ho apamo judge no. Because the Chief Justice on pese judge bia betina case so a promotion ti odi case etia obi. Oni police are negotiating ti OD case etia obi. Sikebi awakwaji inti Abronye needs to help the judiciary. Or say oboa Ghana. Na yetumi ehu se ampa se sa judge na sam na oka to no so no se judge na ya na aboa Chief Justice and the court itself, the judiciary, to also at the end of the day sanitize the judicial system. Inti what the court is asking from Abronye is assistance in determining or going to the bottom of the matter to know say asemna okaye no eye no kre ana enye no kre eno ano no. Now the issue is Abronye ka asemna okogina court no when tumi ankyere e wo judge nanim through the lawyers say say ye jane man kwa. He is somebody he will be easily found or he will not interfere in investigations. So judge say it does not matter who you are. In court, the judge has a discretion, especially somebody who has cases, the same kind of cases a what court document man I say what record him say this is something sasimisi or ye or tie. Meaning in the past he has been to the court, he has been cautioned. So cases he should learn something from the past. But because he's not a first-time offender, no, the judge believes that it is better they put him in cell, remand, so that the investigations can go on. Abronye is not a first-time offender. And when you go back into the records, Abronye had these same kind of things for long. Ama yacheno ama na begina different courts. Inti so begina courts and na begina judge edima on. There are so many things the judge looks at. Anything the chrome ha obi to be kobo krono no eku obi. Na judge ne say abrantie we fitin nkwara brem onku once na krada and come be court death row. And I said and was me man life sentence but me man 28 years because e bia e bufu bi pa na man di sa adwuma no and e friend leniency. They look at your record, your past record. Now, Afiomaka said, Abrantie we are a first-time offender. But Abronye na ye can asem no. This is not the first time Abronye has appeared in court. Issues about defamation and defamatory issues and as misinformation or disinformation. Abronye record in the court nature say, whatever ye did about court than when Nyanse be en free. Yachi Abronye the first time, see a man bill. Ghana mracha say, you bet mama bill. And the Abronye bill clean, emo kufie. And Ghana mrana so chess a court who is say, I will see the auto remand, I will see the auto remand. There's nowhere in Ghana, in Brema say, judge, a check your seminal, now or the discretion, Yinan and Yansen, a check your seminal, say if I'm going to remand, it's Yam Rabia or Ghana. But what I want us to dwell on and say, in Sembe na Abronye Kaye. Abronye Nsawam Kaye no okatia Ghana buying. Okatia the Ghana Police Service. And okatia the judiciary of Ghana. Me, the case by it, yes, makasetia judge, into makasetia the judiciary. But Abronye has spoken against the judiciary. He spoke against the Ghana Police Service. And he spoke against the government of Ghana. 3 very big institutions. And Abronye emeki this very important allegations against. And the question here is, the Abronye eka ya me bochire wi we Ghana ni wa adwene wo fie a udi mokodi nchine no de wangata te wo wasum no so ye MPP ni o ye NDC ni o ye KKK ni o BBB ni o de na wo se Abronye ye Yamfa politics and tone chain. Then also Abronye to me prove it beyond reasonable doubt. Say judge no or jisika or evidence or ni abant na ha date we no mu share ye or ni police no ko share them or the evidence way or clinical some way or recording some way or evidence of the money trail or ni was Abronye to me chile because say Abronye to man chira. That it means say the judiciary is corrupt per his statement. Then it means to say the Ghana Police Service is corrupt per his statement. Then it means to say the government of the day is corrupt. And these are very serious allegations because Abronye is not a mere cat. Abronye is a grown goat who is a regional chairman of a political party in Ghana and also a member of the opposition leaders communication committee. Don't underestimate Abronye position and the kind of position about who man or party. In some way, see, you know, Ghana Nibia, we are intelligent, we are smart, we are patriotic and honest. Obeka say, so we are all trying to clean the system because yenchiriba omudi echi, yemma. These are not things that we are supposed to put in their head. Say, obi wa betena social media na we gu court ho fin, we gu judge ho fin, we gu police ho fin, we gu aban ho fin, abra oni ngina so. Abronye ye regional chairman of a political party in Ghana. So, yadi Abronye kwache mu ende ye nyina yete Ghana. Ye busa ho questions. Say, how did we get here? Say, a whole regional chairman. Wako kan sem ba omia bie studio amano amana kan sem etia the judiciary. Intini ebobo hu. Anche ene yeti say the verb, the consonant, the adjective. A friend ba omia or yet the flag bearer of Abronye party na. They want to come to power and help Ghanaians and bring some kind of their integrity and sanity into the system. As they say always, the flag bearer of the party now, the regional chairman, Eddie Judge for Atem, Eddie the Chief Justice Atem, Eddie the IGP Atem, Eddie Ghana Police Service personnel Atem, Eddie the judiciary, where the Abina Terminal. Today, the opposition leader decided to release a statement. Efa Asamano. Now, Yebekai Mahamudu Bawumia, the adjective. Yebeka Mahamudu Bawumia, the adjective, the verb, the consonant. The letter we release. But sometimes as Ghanaians, we need to be honest in our delivery. We need to sometimes be a little bit truthful when we want to bring people into power. The same people who were on TV and radio every single day. Ekacha Ghana for you say Kevin Taylor ka semyetia judge. Na yankochi Kevin Taylor mrani amfani ntumuno. The same people in the past who always said say police no enwu so bi kan sembi na oningina so na omokochi oma e was jai police man ye adwuma no. The same people today are saying say Abronya de oyeye no sa de na Abronya ye no, we are not supposed to get to the bottom of it and make sure the right thing is done. Anytime catch a Ghana for say you people need to be very careful with those people you call political commentators, doctors, so-called intellectuals. Now, in the past, time na MPP were power. Now, MPP are buying apply the law of Ghana. Because a buying be a bar or the Ghana brand ye juma. That time, now a certain member of parliament and the Kufuado, Xavier Sosu. Now a buying se wakoka sembia atia buying. Na aban epe susu action. Ne nyina eti kroma susu. A member of parliament. There were people who told Ghana for say the Bawumia Ekufuado administration should allow, and Ghana for should allow the police service to do its job because that time na Emrano the tia they believed in the Emrano. They supported the police. They said, so Bia can send me etia Ghana mra. I was a police in Juma. This is Kofi Bentel. When the MPP administration, it was not Ghana Police Service, Sosu action on a certain member of parliament. These are some of the statements Kofi Bentel will make here.
We believe that policing will be better if the general populace believes that anybody, no matter where the person's standard is in this country, is arrestable if they commit a crime. There's the recent issue concerning the member of parliament, and there's a back and forth between the police and parliament. We want to urge that that matter should not degenerate. We think that nobody is above the law. This country has a constitution, and that constitution gives only one person an immunity, that is the president. There is the Article 117, which gives a very narrow immunity for specific parliamentary function. And sometimes it feels as if that narrow immunity is being elevated to a blanket immunity for anything that a parliamentarian does. We do not believe that this is there's an intention to persecute anybody, but we think that in the spirit of making sure that all of us are, subject to the law, and that the law will be applied evenly regardless of who the person is. Parliamentarians, ministers, everybody, people driving V8s, whoever you are, we should all be subject to the same law and respect the authorities, especially when they invite us politely.
Kofi Bento, Tama na ye Sosu, member of parliament. Kofi Bento catch a Ghana for say, we should allow the police to do their job. We should not interfere. We are all under this law. It is only the president who has immunity. And a few people in Ghana, Emrano, sometimes a creative opportunity can come. But all of us, Mwamuchi V8, Wawa MPPO, Wawa ND. So this is when Bawumia was vice president and the head of the police council. And all of us said, okay. We all said, okay. So the police can do their job. And yeah, the Abronye come 2 weeks. Asama Kofi Bento etro ewo social media ni. And I've played Abronye the yeah emaniko pie quarter ya romandeno. The same Kofi Bento says the assault on citizens' freedom of speech will be one of this government's worst legacies. Abuses of rights are a stench which never wears off. Even JJ couldn't shake it despite his huge popularity. The same person who was speaking a second ago, and Abronye, he is not concerned about the law. He is not giving the police the room to do their job. He does not want to allow the courts to follow due process. He now feels say the Abronye no. People are being assaulted, citizens are being assaulted, and that freedom of speech has been taken away from the people. Now, JJ Rollins, at the end of the day, the popularity was when to me and Winnie, meaning Mahama is not popular than JJ Rollins. You see these people. In fact, see any video ni biom. Neshe ende the comment or Troy. Media terminal report and amebo.
We believe that policing will be better if the general populace believes that anybody, no matter where the person's standard is in this country, is arrestable if they commit a crime. There's the recent issue concerning the member of parliament, and there's a back and forth between the police and parliament. We want to urge that that matter should not degenerate. We think that nobody is above the law. This country has a constitution, and that constitution gives only one person an immunity, that is the president. There is the Article 117, which gives a very narrow immunity for specific parliamentary function. And sometimes it feels as if that narrow immunity is being elevated to a blanket immunity for anything that a parliamentarian does. We do not believe that this is there's an intention to persecute anybody, but we think that in the spirit of making sure that all of us are, subject to the law, and that the law will be applied evenly regardless of who the person is. Parliamentarians, ministers, everybody, people driving V8s, whoever you are, we should all be subject to the same law.
We should all be subject to the same law. So why are we worried today? Why are you today telling us that this is an assault on citizens' freedom of speech? Kofi Bento is a lawyer. He's not worried about the integrity of the court, protecting the court. He's more worried about his fellow party colleagues who have abused the law, trying to politicize it. You see where we are. You see, he's a lawyer. Abronye has denigrated the judiciary. Abronye has gone after a judge. Abronye needs to provide evidence to what he said. Kofi Bento does not care about the judiciary, the integrity of the judiciary being destroyed. The only time he cares about the judiciary is when Tokonu's matter is up. These are the kind of lawyers we have in Ghana that are standing in our courtrooms. Kofi Bento stands before judges. He has no respect for them. He does not respect their integrity. The court itself, Kofi Bento, does not respect the court. Because the same person who was telling us that we should allow the process to go on, we should allow the police to do their job, and that this is not persecution. Today he's telling us that somebody who has blatantly sat on TV, national television, on social media to denigrate a judge without proving or providing evidence, today he is telling us that we, the citizens, our freedom of speech is being taken away. The only time he cares about the court is when Tokonu is in a ditch. These are the people we talk about. No integrity people. Stomach bitch-ass niggas. These are the big-ass niggas. Bitch-ass niggas. These are the black niggas. These are the niggas that omoma abrofunu nya chance. Abrofunu who say akonkonsa fo bi we mu and omu take advantage and destroy ye. This is a typical example of a bitch-ass nigga. This is a snitch. This guy is a fucking snitch. Tete yana nanomo abrofunu nya opportunity edi yeso efa ese nkwa no. It was the likes of Kofi Bento mo konkonsa. This is a typical snitch. Jail only 24 hours. You see, these are the kind of people sitting on our TVs. Today, the integrity of the court does not matter. Today, the integrity of the court, baby ojina onye duani dino, ombu court no, ombu judiciary, ultimately protect judiciary no, he cannot protect a judge. He wants these same judges to sit before him and listen to him for weeks and pass judgment for his fucking ass to be paid. He's telling us. But a few years ago, he was telling us that we should allow the system to work. We should allow the police to do their job.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. Cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir. The nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with, and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir, the nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with, and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past.
We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past. J.J. Rawlings said this, and we have to always remember the words of Jerry John Rawlings.